Most tire shop owners think working harder is the answer. More fittings, more hours, more customers. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Being brilliant at fitting tires does not automatically make someone good at running a tire business. And this is exactly where many hardworking owners get stuck without even realizing it. In this episode, we're unpacking why some incredibly skilled tire fitters still struggle to grow profitable businesses, what separates busy shops from successful ones, and the simple shifts that can completely change the game. Stay with this till the end, because one small mindset change could save years of frustration. Most tire businesses start with someone who genuinely knows their craft. They know tire fitting, balancing, repairs, customer service, the technical side is solid. And that matters a lot. But here's something no one talks about enough. Running a business requires a completely different skill set. Think about it. You can know exactly which tire fits which vehicle, but if someone asks your average transaction value, labor percentage, or profit margin, could you answer instantly? This is where most people mess up. They focus only on the workshop and ignore the business behind it. Let's start with the biggest mistake: confusing activity with profit. Many owners feel productive because the shop is busy all day. Cars coming in, tires going out, phones ringing non-stop. But busy doesn't always mean profitable. You can work harder than everyone else and still struggle financially. Smart business owners ask different questions. Which services make the most profit? Where is money leaking? What numbers actually matter? Quick question: have you ever had a super busy week but still wondered where the money went? Comment yes if that sounds familiar. Now let's talk about systems, because this part changes everything. A lot of tire shops rely completely on the owner's memory. The owner knows every customer, every process, every little detail. Sounds fine at first, until the business grows. More staff, more jobs, more pressure. Suddenly things start slipping. Systems create consistency, clear pricing, job processes, customer follow-ups, training methods. These things stop the business from depending on one person. Don't skip this part, because businesses grow through systems, not memory. And here's something many owners still believe: good work sells itself. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't. You might offer amazing service, fair prices, and great workmanship, but if people don't know you exist, growth becomes slow. Marketing matters. Visibility matters. Even the best tire shop still needs customers walking through the door. Ask yourself this: when was the last time you actively promoted your business? Now let's talk about staff. Hiring people is easy. Building a strong team? That's a skill. Training, communication, accountability, these things matter more than most people realize. Great teams don't happen by accident. They're built intentionally. And here's the biggest shift of all. In the beginning, your job is fitting tires. But as the business grows, your role changes. You spend more time reviewing numbers, improving systems, developing staff, and planning for growth. This is where many owners get stuck. They keep thinking like a fitter when they actually need to start thinking like an owner. So here's the takeaway: being a great tire fitter is an amazing foundation. But long-term success comes when trade skills and business skills work together. The businesses that master both are usually the ones that thrive. What do you think is the hardest part of running a tire business? Staff, marketing, systems, or profit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if practical, no-fluff business advice sounds useful, subscribe for more real-world insights that actually help businesses grow. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.